Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Education. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your friend. And now, let's start. So here is the easiest way to learn so many English words. هذه أسهل طريقة لحفظ أكبر عدد ممكن من الكلمات باللغة الإنجليزية. Let's start. Words end with IND or IND. Example: find, find, kind, kind, mind, mind, blind, blind, behind, behind, wind, wind, grind, grind. Let's continue. Words end with AND or and. Let's start. And, hand, hand, band, band, stand, stand, grand, grand, land, land, sand, sand, demand, demand. Now, group of words end with ALL. ALL sounds like all, all. Example: all, call, call, ball, ball, hole, hole, wall, wall, small, small, tall, tall. Now words end with IGHT. Sounds like it, it. Let's start. Night, night, fight, fight, tight, tight, bright, bright, slight, slight, light, light, sight, sight, right, right. If you know more words end with IGHT or IT, please leave them down in the comments. Now, words end with EAT or eat. For example, eat, eat, cheat, cheat, sweet, sweet, heat, heat, beat, beat, seat, seat, meat, meat. Now another group of words end with EET or eat. Greet, greet, meat, meat, feet, feet, street, street, sheet, sheet, discreet, discreet, beat, beat, Now words end with ay or a. Play, play. Slay, slay. Gay, gay. Gray, gray. Tray, tray. Stay, stay. Pray, pray. Way, way. Now words end with tion or shin, shin. Competition, competition. Action, action. Satisfaction, satisfaction. Humiliation, humiliation. Affection, affection. Abortion, abortion. Fiction, fiction. Emotion, emotion. Now words end with ful, full, full. Cheerful, cheerful. Careful, careful. Beautiful, beautiful. Grateful, grateful. Dreadful, dreadful. Mindful, mindful. Awful, awful. Hopeful, hopeful. Now words end with ness. It is ness, ness. Illness, illness. Witness, witness. Sweetness, sweetness. Fitness, fitness. Kindness, kindness. Business, business. Weakness, weakness. Cheerfulness, cheerfulness. That's it for today. If you know more words, write them down in the comments. And please show me your great support and follow my channel, like and share my videos with your friends. For now, bye bye.